Here's part 3 of what I wish people would have taught me when I first started trading, and that is about trend trading now. So in this 3-part series, we've talked about 3 different strategies. Here's the third one, and that is trend trading. So trend trading is what most people are familiar with, and it is good. You're trading with the trend, but you probably heard the old adage, the trend is your friend until the end. And that's a big, huge problem that I didn't realize how important it was. Because what most of us do is, it's human nature, we crave certainty. It's part of our human nature to want certainty, security, and so we wait for that trend to be very clear. But by the time the trend is super clear, guess what? You're toward the end. So the key is to get in early in a new trend. Get my free indicator, which is already hidden in your trading platform, that answers the question, where exactly should I enter my trades? Go to entryindicator.com and I'll show you exactly how to use it for precision entries.